Hello everybody, let's draw the mini family characters. The first character is Minisu the dino. First draw an oval for the dino's head. You can even find an object that's oval so that it can help you trace. For the mouth, you're gonna draw like a long line. And for the tooth, you're gonna draw like a very wide U on one of the sides. For the eyes, you're gonna draw two thin ovals, and same for the nostrils, just a little bit smaller. And a tiny triangle on the head. Now let's draw Pen the penguin. Do the same thing for the head. For the beak, draw a small oval with a smiley face in it. For the white part of the face, draw two curved lines that end at the beak. Same thing on the other side. The eyes are like two jelly beans. Now let's draw Pickle the Shiba. Start with an oval again. In the middle of the face, draw a squiggly line. For the nose, draw a small oval. Draw a smiley mouth with a tongue. The eyes are two small circles. Draw two bigger circles at the top of the eyes. For the ears, draw upside down V's with smaller V's inside. This one's my favorite. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Yippee!